Faucet leaks from the spout are annoying, but usually mean you gotta swap out that cartridge or valve to fix it for good. Alright, so first, turn off the water supply under your sink so you don't flood your bathroom or kitchen. Next, pop off the handle. Usually there's a little screw hiding under a cap or behind the handle. Once that's off, you'll see the cartridge or valve inside. Grab a wrench or pliers and carefully twist it out. Before you put in the new one, take a quick peek inside the faucet body to make sure there's no gunk or mineral buildup. Clean it out if you spot any. When you slide the new cartridge or valve in, line it up properly so it fits snug without forcing it. Screw the handle back on, turn your water supply back on, and test it out. If the drip stops, you nailed it. If not, double check that everything is tight and seated right. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing faucet leaks from the spout is not shutting off the water supply before starting, which can turn your repair into a mini flood zone. Always shut off those valves first. Another common issue is forcing the cartridge or valve out without loosening any retaining nuts or screws, leading to damaged parts and extra costs. Take your time and loosen everything properly. Thirdly, people often skip cleaning the faucet body before installing a new cartridge, which causes leaks to keep happening because of leftover debris messing with the seal. A quick clean with vinegar or a brush can save you headaches later. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you need help finding trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't ghost you halfway through. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more gigs, it makes connecting with homeowners super easy and hassle-free.